I don't know what happened to my network. I went off. I don't know what happened. I have to come back again. Network just kicked me off, and I don't know whether it's data or anything. If you are still around, do join up again. This is the Igbo tutor. I'm back online. I don't know what happened. Something went wrong, and I was, kicked off unexpectedly. So please, I'm sorry about that. If you are still around and online, join me back. This is the Igbo tutor back online. Sorry about that. Please, let's come back. I have so many of you around, so let's come back to class. Very sorry about what happened. It's a network issue, and I'm sorry about that. So if you are still around, do join me back. I had a lot of you around, so sorry about that. I think it's network problem we had, and I'm sorry. Many of you, the class was going on well before that happened. So please, if you are still available, join us back. This is the Igbo tutor. I'm back online. So please join again. Let's do this together. The class has not ended, so it happened that something went wrong. So please, if you are still available, join up. Sorry about that. It's not intentional at all. It's not intentional at all. Please join up again. Let's continue the class. I didn't intend to end the class. It was a network issue. So we've not ended the class. So if you are still available, please join. Febabara, thank you for joining back. Jane M, thank you for joining back. Where are the rest? I missed many of you today. So many new people around today. I'm very sad about that we had that disruption in network. So please, if you are still around, join us. Let's continue the lesson. Let's continue where we stopped. Yeah, the Igbo tutor is back online. Let's join up. Let's join up. I'm waiting for others. I'm waiting for others to come back online. Sorry about that. Mrs. Ozua, come back online. And the rest team members, waiting for you. Yeah, waiting for you. Please join back, join back. Sorry about what happened. It's not intentional at all. So please, if you are still available, if you are still online, you are welcome back to class. Please join up back again. Join us back again if you are still available. Let's continue this class. It has been an interesting class. So it has been an interesting class, and we have so many new people in class today. It was really interesting. So network just pushed us out unexpectedly. So we are sorry about that. So Mr. Clement, nice Nigeria network. And okay, say Nigeria network, Nuku Oyi na Ndu Ekutata. Okay, froze on today. It's really so sad because I had so many people online. I had so many new students today, and I feel bad that that could happen, and it's so disappointing in that. So I'm very sorry about that. So let's come back to class. Thank you for coming back. Thank you. I appreciate you. Thank you. I can see Orabile, you are here back. Clement, you are here. Thank you for returning back. Faith Barbara, sorry. I know you will always be there. JNM, thank you for returning back to class. Where are the rest of the people? This is the Igbo tutor, live. Please let's come back to class. I'm waiting for you. Let's continue where we stopped. This is the Igbo tutor, where we challenge ourselves to speak and learn Igbo language live. Let's talk Igbo language live. Let's come back to class. I had many of you in class today. Unfortunately, network pushed us around, but I'm back online. So let's rejoin. Where is my wife, Mrs. Ozua? You come back to class, please. Let's continue where we stopped. I'm waiting for many of you to come back to class. Let's continue. Now, we are dealing with the word fanye, okay? That's where we are before we are stopped by network. And fanye is squeeze in, squeeze in. So I'm going to continue from there. while we're expecting others to rejoin the class. I hope they do. If not, we'll move on and see how much we can do with the remaining time we have. So, okay, I got a network issue. Thank you for understanding with me. I'm very sorry about that. So let's go on with the next word, which is fanye, squeeze in. Okay, squeeze in. Okay, fanye, that's correct. That's the word fanye. Okay, I'm still expecting others to come in. This is Ozua and the rest of them. So many new students today we had in class, and network just tried to disappoint himself, not me. But I know many people who were willing to learn today before I was just forced out of the network. So please, I'm sorry about that. Let's go on. The word we're looking at is fanye, squeeze in, and we have gotten the word by Clement Emehe. So let's try to do a sentence with that word, fanye. The sentence is fanye ya nime. Squeeze it inside. Fanye ya nime. Squeeze it inside. Fanye ya nime. So let somebody give us the sentence. Fanye ya nime. Squeeze it inside. Fanye ya nime. Give us the sentence. Yes. Jenem. Okay. Fanye ya nime. Great. Jen M. Good effort. Where are the rest? Where are the rest? Give me your sentence. Jen M has given us her own sentence. Fanye ya nime. And I think it's very correct. Where are the rest, people? Give us your sentence. Yeah? Give us your sentence. I guess Faith Barbara is very busy today. She's just listening, I guess, as much, because she's not contributing in terms of writing. It's obvious she's busy doing something, but she's listening. We still appreciate your presence. Thank you for always supporting. So who else is writing? I just got one from, okay, Clement has written, Fanye ya nime, that's correct. Okay, squeeze it in. Okay, fanye ya nime. That's correct. That's correct. That's correct. Yeah. So if you are still around, if you are still online, don't hesitate to join us back. We're back online. We are logged off by network, and they will struggle to come in back again. Mrs. Ozua, I hope she will come back to class. But let's continue. And if you are just seeing us for the first time, this is the Igbo Tutor live. Here, we challenge ourselves to speak and write Igbo language. We have our main videos in our YouTube channel, our homepage. You see a lot of videos, over 100 videos there, which are so inspiring and so rich. But here, we challenge ourselves to put to practice what we have learned through the videos so that we can really know how much progress we are making. We understand that many of you don't have anyone around you with which to practice Igbo speaking. So we brought about this live session to give you the opportunity to test yourself, to practice and listen, and know whether you can understand Igbo sounds and Igbo words and the Igbo alphabets and use them to form phrases and sentences and communicate. That is the essence of learning language, to communicate with it. So that's what we do at this live session. So wherever you are, please do join us. You are a friend of Igbo, you're a business partner, you are married to Igbo, whoever you are, you're a lover of Igbo language, join us now. Let's do this together. So we are moving on. So fanye ya nime, those sentences are correct. Then the next word is fopu. Fopu, pull up, like we pull up a weed in the farm or anywhere. Fopu. Some will use hopu, H instead of F. Whichever is correct, fopu or hopu, pull up, as we do with weed in the farm. Pull it up, fopu or hopu, H, as the case may be. Okay, fupu, that's what Jen M wrote, not fopu. I said fopu. Okay, Jen M, I think you wrote fupu. That is not very correct. I said fopu, fopu, or hopu, as the case may be, hopu or fopu. Okay, that's Clement M. Clement Emehe, that's better. Fopu. All right. Okay, I'm waiting for others to write. What is the word? Fopu or hopu. Okay, JNM corrected. That's fine. Fopu or hopu. That's the word. Pull it up, as we do the weed in the farm or in a compound or anywhere. Fopu. Okay. Now, what is the sentence? The sentence is fopu ahịhịa ahụ. Fopu ahịhịa ahụ or hopu ahịhịa ahụ. Pull up that weed. Pull up that weed. Pull up that weed. Fopu ahịhịa ahụ or hopu ahịhịa ahụ. Pull up that weed. So let me have the sentence. Fopu ahịhịa ahụ. Pull up that weed or take off, especially pull up that weed. Fopu ahịhịa ahụ. Let me see the word. Fopu or hopu ahịhịa ahụ. Pull up that weed from the ground. Okay, fopu ahịhịa ahụ. All right. The Jen M has done her own. Is it he or her, Jen? Please correct me. Are you a male or a female? Let me be sure. Are you a male or a female? Clemens, fopu ahịhịa ahụ. Better. That's great. So Jen, you can look at Clemens' sentence. You will see that your ahịhịa is not correct. Your I must have dot under. Okay, Jen, say abum nwanyị. Great. That's fine. Okay, Jen, no. Okay, abum nwanyị. Okay, so now, Jane, look at Clemens' sentence. Ahịhịa is with dot under the I. I will have dot under them. I. So that is ahịhịa. So you have to correct that. Hopu or fopu ahịhịa. Pull up that weed ahịhịa. So your U is correct, but your eyes must have dot under them. Ahịhịa. That's great. So that is fopu or hopu ahịhịa. We've done that. Now, the next word is fepu. Fepu, fly away. Fepu, fly away. What is the word? Somebody should write the word for us in the chat. Fepu, fly away. What is the word? What is the word? It's very unfortunate that we lost some of our people. Okay, Ms. Ozua has come back again. Ozua, sorry about that. Network tried to mess me up today, but I refuse to give up because I saw so many people who are willing to learn today, and I was excited. Unfortunately, network pushed me out, pushed me away, but I refuse to go because I know there are so many people who are interested in learning today, who are really serious about this class today. So I came back to class. So thank God that you are able to return. Talking about Mrs. Ozua. Thank you for coming back. So the sentence we're dealing with is, the word rather is fepu, fly away. And somebody has done the word. Fepu, Ozua has written that, fepu, that's correct. Fepu, fly away. Jane M has written also, fepu, fly away. Those words you wrote are correct. Now let's look at the sentence. Nnụnụ ahụ wee fepu. Nnụnụ ahụ wee fepu. And that bird now flew away or fly away. Nnụnụ ahụ wee fepu. The bird or that bird now or then fly away or flew away. Nnụnụ ahụ wee fepu. That bird now flew away. Fepu. Okay? Can we try to write that? Nnụnụ ahụ wee fepu. Nnụnụ ahụ fepu. You miss one thing. Wee fepu. The bird then flew away. Then, that is what you are missing there. Then flew away. Wee fepu. Nnụnụ ahụ, that bird or the bird. Wee then flew away. Wee fepu. So correct that now. I know you get it, Ms. Ozua. Nnụnụ ahụ wee fepu. That's it. That's it. Ozua, you are there. Okay, Jenem. Nnụnụ ahụ wee fepu. Correct. The bird or that bird then flew away. Fepu, fly or flew away. Okay? Now see, if you just say fepu, away fepu, it then flew away or fly away. Okay? It flew away or it fly away. That's right. So now that is fepu. Now the next word is for. It's in blow. As you blow something like, let's say, a trumpet or a balloon or anything, you blow it with air, force air inside or into it. That is for. So give me the word for. Okay, you tried, Ellen. For, you tried, but it's not very perfect. For, is something I want you to correct. Something, you almost got it, but something you should correct. I wait for you to correct it. Let me guess it. Let me see if you can get what I mean. For is selling. Ozua. For, let me see whether I can get what I mean. Oh yeah, okay. Jen has got Jen got it. Okay, Ellen, you got it. You know what I'm talking about. Is you with dot under. O, not U. If you don't put dot under, it becomes fua. But if you is for O, U, O, it's a dot under. That's great. So that is blow. Okay. Now let me say the sentence now. For opike. That opike is a one word, it's a compound word. You join the word together with a hyphen, opike. For opike or for opike. Blow the trumpet. That is opike. Opike is trumpet. Okay? For opike. Blow the trumpet. For opike. For opi, ike, the trumpet. That's opike. Okay, who's giving us the sentence? Blow the trumpet. For opike. Yeah, I'm waiting for the sentence. Okay, Ellen has written for opieke. No, opiike, not eke. Ike, opiike. Okay, one more try. Try again, Ellen. Try again. Okay, Barbara Lady. Oh, Barbara, you are here. I missed you in my first class. Now, in first session, you are not here. Thank God you are not. You are around. I was looking for you, Barbara Lady. I was saying, where is my second Barbara? I didn't see her today in class. Thank God you have come. So no, Barbara Lady, no. Okay. So Emehem, you are here. Okay. So for opike. All right. Okay, okay, that's great. That's great. OPK, that's trumpet. Okay, you can separate the word. You can put it together with hyphen. You can separate it. OPK, yeah. So it's acceptable. We don't just put the two alphabet together, but they are both vowels. So you just separate them with a hyphen. It's a compound word. OPK. You can separate them with a hyphen, just like Jen M did. That's better. OPK. Or you put them separate entirely. Upi, Ike, that's the trumpet. But with a hyphen as a compound word is more apt. Okay? So, Mrs. Ellen, okay, for Opike. I'm talking to Ellen and Clement. You don't put it together. Opike can't be together because the two vowels are together. Separate with a hyphen, all right, to make it complete. Okay? The next word is, I think have we done this? Ga. Okay, we've not done it. Ga, which is go. Okay? Ga, go. Okay? What is the word? Ga, go. Give me the word. Ga, go. Nyemia. Nyemia. Give it to me. Nyemia. Okay? Jenem, Clement M, Ga, Ga. Ellen, where are you? Ozua. Okay, Ga, you are there. That's great. That is it. That's go. Now, the sentence. Ga, zotaram, azo. Ga zotaram azu. Go buy fish for me. Ga zotaram azu. Go buy fish for me. Ga zotaram azu. Go buy fish for me. Ga zotaram azu. Okay, Libya, you're coming now. For OPK, that's great. Good effort. Barbara, Libya, that's a good effort. Remember, we are dealing with Ga now. And the sentence is Ga zotaram azu. Go buy fish for me. Ga zotaram azu. Go buy fish for me. Ga zotaram azu. Not zotara, zotaram z. Okay. Ga zotaram azu. Okay, Clement, you try. Jenem, ga zotaram azu. Great. Jenem, you are not joking at all. You are serious with today's class. That is correct. Jenem got it correct. Jenem. Ga zotaram azu. I know that Mrs. Ozwa would have written, but her delivery is coming late somehow. That's why she was enjoying her book. Her live session in the first session was very, very wonderful. She was, showing me her book, writing faster than every other person. I know your delivery through text is always delayed. Okay. Okay, that's Taramazo. So I understand that. I know you would have written first. So, but let's look at what you wrote, what everybody wrote. Now let me start with Mrs. Ozua. Gas Zotaram Azu. Okay, you have written even. Okay, but that sentence is not correct. Is Zotaram, Zotaram, not Zotaram, Zotaram Azu. So you only miss the you with dot under. That's what it should be. You, Mrs. Ozua, you've not gotten it. You must have dot under. Oh, Zotaram Azu. Right? So do your final correction now. Okay. Where is Liebi? Barbara, you have not written Gas Utaram Azu. I'm waiting for you to write. Liebi is Barbara. Write. Don't just listen. Write. Challenge your brain. Challenge your listening. Challenge your understanding of the sound. Okay? Now I'm waiting for Barbara, Liebi to write. Lieba to write Ga Zutaram Azu. Barbara, Lieba, write now. You will not just listen today and go. Okay, let me check. O Arabile Ga Zutaram Azu. Your you doesn't have dot under in Zutaram. Zutaram. So let your you have dot under for Zuta. That's the right word. Clement Emehe Ga Zutaram Azu. Very correct. Misozua Ga Zutaram Azu. Yeah, you have corrected yourself. I know you can't miss it. It's just a little mistake. Barbara, yeah, you are here. Ga Zucha. No, listen to me properly. Ga Zutaram Azu, not Ga Zucha. Okay? Now you look at what other people have written and pick your correction. But it's good you made effort. That's most important to us. Now we've done Ga. The next word we're looking at is Gabiga. Gabiga, pass over. Gabiga, pass over. Gabiga, pass over. So, what is the word? Give it to me. Gabiga, pass over. Gabiga. Okay? Where is the word? Gabiga, pass over. Gabiga, pass over. And Ozua, you are right. Gabiga, you got it. I trust you get it. Gabiga, pass over. Yes, who else has written? Who else is dropping the word Gabiga, pass over? Drop your own if you have not done that. If you are still holding your word, just drop it. Let me see others that have tried. Drop your word. Gabiga, pass over. Drop it, drop it, drop it. I've seen Mrs. Ozua's own. Where is my friend Jen? Jen, drop Gabiga. Where is Clement? Okay. Okay, Jen, you're here. Gabiga, that's great. Okay, Clement, you have not dropped your own. Gabiga, drop your own word. Gabiga, pass over. Okay. Now let me give you the sentence. Kanyi gabiga. Kanyi gabiga. Let's pass over. Kanyi gabiga. Let us pass over, or let's pass over. Kanyi gabiga. Let's pass over. Kanyi gabiga. Jen has written, waiting for others. Let me know who gets it first. Kanyi gabiga. Okay, Elinozua. Ani gabiga. Good effort, but not perfect. The word is ka. Ani gabiga. Listen. Ka. Ani gabiga. They are not the same word. Different word. Ka. Ani gabiga. Let us pass over. Three different words. Ka. Let. Ani. Us. Gabiga. Pass over. So write it correctly. Three words. Okay, now you are there. Okay, Ellie, you understand. I'm doing that because of you. I know you'll get it. Kanyi gabiga. Great. 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 Okay. But Jen M, that kanyi is not written together. It's different, separate word. Three words separate. Ka, let, ani, us. Gabiga, pass over. So it has to be separate. You don't use comma for it. You write it full. Orabile, you got it right. Kanyi, gabiga. I understand. Maybe you don't have Igbo keyboard yet. Okay, that's why you're not putting dot under your vowels where it should be. Okay, that's great. We got it. Kanyi gabiga. So Elinozua got it. Arabile got it. Now JNM got it. Okay. Even though Arabile, it doesn't have dot under. Okay. Okay. The next word is gopo. Gopo. That's excuse himself. Excuse self. Gopo. You know, just like someone excusing himself from something. Gopo. Gopo. Excuse self. Gopo. Okay. What is the word? Gopo. 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 That's a good try, Mrs. Zozua, though you want to make it better. Gopo. 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 Okay. Barbara, this is a little bit late, but that's better late than never. Kanyega bigger, and that's very correct. Elinozua, you're right. God excuse self. Owe gopo onweya. Owe gopo onweya. And he excused himself. Owe gopo onweya. Owe gopo onweya. And he excused himself. Owe gopo onweya. And he excused himself. Owe gopo onweya. And he excused himself. Good effort, Jenem. Good effort. I'm waiting for others. Owe gopo onweya. And he or she excused himself. Owe gopo onweya. And Ozua. Owe gopo onweya. No. Onwe. Not owe. Onwe ya. Onwe ya. Owe gopo onweya. So Ozua, do your correction. Owe gopo onweya. Jenem got it better. Owe gopo onweya. Correct yourself. Correct yourself. This is Ozua. Ooh, what is Barbara writing? Barbara is gopo. 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 G-O-P-O. Okay, that's the word. Gopo. So it's G-O with dot under and P-U. U has dot under also. That is gopo. Owe. Oh, no. That's Ms. Ozua. Your first sentence is almost perfect. The only thing you miss is onwe. Yeah, you wrote owe. But the second sentence, you got onwe, but now you missed the part that was correct in the first one. Owe, the first one you wrote is correct, except that your onwe is one word. It's not owe. You are repeating owe, gopo, owe, ya no. It's owe, gopo, onwe, ya. Okay. Yeah. You are there in Sozua. That's the right sentence. Okay, Clement, owe, gopo, onwe, ya. Correct. Ozua, you got it now. Owe, gopo, onwe, ya. Okay. So, and the first person that got it was Jane M. That's very perfect. Right. So, we're having more people in the house. If you are new to our class today, although we welcome most of our newcomers today in the first session before network kicked us off. When we returned, we have almost the old people, except few of other new people joining us. So if you are joining us for the first time, let's just drop a comment. Just say no on day one. Let's welcome you officially. Have about 10 minutes to end this second session. I hope because of my own time, I built this for 1 hour, but before we hit 1 hour, the other time network kicked us off. So we have to add another 30 minutes to make it up. So we've done Gopo Onweya. The next thing we're going to look at, the next word, although it looks like a compound word, but it's ge nti. Ge nti is actually a compound word. Listen or listen. Ge listen. Ge listen. Ge So drop the word. Just drop the word for us. Listen. Ge Okay? And those who are, you are there. You are there. Sharp. You are there. Ge Perfect. Okay, Clement Emehe still correct with a hyphen in between. Correct. Compound word. Ge Listen. That's Genti. Either you separate it or you put it as a compound word. They are all correct. Jenem, you're right. Genti. That's great. That's the word. So, what is now the sentence? The sentence is Genti. Ubua. Okay, Ibuku Olayinka. Oh, Ibuku Olayinka. Now, wow, miss you for long. I've not seen you come to class. Wow, Miss Olayinka, happy to see you again today. I miss you in most of our sections. Today you're coming back to class. Where have you been now, Miss Olayinka Ibuku? Why did you leave us in class now? For so long you've not come to class. Wetin will do you? Or gịnị mere? Ibuku, gịnị mere? Ị bịaghị class. Or gịnị mere, Ibuku? Answer my question. We are talking about, okay, I've been missing classes. That's what I'm talking about now. You've been missing classes. So what is the problem? You better explain yourself. Oh. If you don't tell me the reason why you're missing classes, you're going to get discipline. Oh. Even though you are not near me, I'm missing classes. You must not be a careless student. What happened? Ibuku, the time zone is always confusing. What is confusing in the time zone? We are meeting the same time every Saturday, 2 p.m. West African time or Nigerian time, 2 p.m. every Saturday. So how can it confuse you? Just mark it in your calendar. It's a 1400 GMT. There's nothing confusing there. It's 2 p.m. Nigerian time. Most time you have finished class before I come online. Why? It's 1300 GMT or 2 p.m. West African time or Nigerian time, 2 p.m. 1400, is that 1400 GMT? No, that is, our time is 1 hour ahead of GMT. That is 1300, sorry. 1300 GMT. Our time is 1 hour ahead. Our own is 14, but GMT is 1300, which is 2 p.m. Nigerian time. Okay? Okay, somebody is correcting you. Koki J says 7 a.m. Eastern time. 7 a.m. Eastern time. See, we have different times in the world. So please, I don't know where you are. If you're using Eastern time, Koki J says 7 a.m. Eastern time, right? So please, mark it properly in your diary or in your calendar, okay? So that you don't miss class. You've missed a lot. Now, we'll move on. The sentence we are talking about is GMT. 8 in daylight. 8 in daylight driving. Okay, I don't know. Is it daylight driving you want to write? Koki J. The time is 6:23 p.m. here. So it means your home will be 5 p.m. over where you are. That will be 5 p.m. where you are. If you are 6, is that? I don't know. So you just draw yourself back by 1 hour. If it is 6:23 where you are, if it's 6:23, so it means, and that is AM, am I right? That's PM. Oh, 6 p.m. where you are, 6:23. Let me compare that with our own time. This is 3:23 p.m. So your own time is 3 hours ahead of our time. 3 hours. So you have to draw yourself back a little bit by 1 hour, 1 hour or two, to be able to catch up with us, please. So your home will be around 5 p.m. or 4:30 p.m. Get ready to join class by 4:30 p.m. Barbara Lee, you say her own is 9 a.m. You can see the whole world is in confusion, different times everywhere. So just know the time, mark your own time in your own time zone so that you can be able to meet up with our classes. Okay, sorry about that. So our sentence is Gemunte Ubua. As Ozua has written, Clement has written. Let me see those who got it. Jenem, Gemunte Ubua. Jenem got the correct sentence. Gemunte. Clement, not perfect. Your I doesn't have dot under. Okay, then Ozua, Gemunte Ubua. Your Ubua is not correct. Your Ubua is UGBUA. So you missed G, this is Ozua. In your Ubua, you missed G. So it's UGBUA, Ubua. You missed Ubua. Okay, Koki J. Okay, that's fine. So that's what we have in Gemunti Ubua. Listen to me now. The next word is Go. Okay, Buku Olayinka Gemunti Ubua. That's fine. But your I, Nti, your I must have dot under. If it's not, it will sound Nti. It will not be correct. Gemunti. No, it's Gemunti. So you have to have I under your I. I mean dot under your I. Look at the correction from others. Ibukun Olayinka. The next word is go, which is read. Go, read. Drop the word. Go, read. Go, read. Go, read. I want to see the word. Elinozua, it's not Goa, it's Go. Clement, you are there. That's correct. Look at what Clement has written. That is the correct word. Go, read. Go, Gen O, Gen M, you are right. Go, that's the word. Okay, Ibukun, okay, it's fine. That's read. Go, okay. Let me give you the sentence. Go, yeah, Barbara, you try, but your U and O must have dot under. Ibukun, you are right. Go, okay, but your U should have dot under too. And then the sentence is, Ga gụọ akwụkwọ gị. Go read your book. Ga gụọ akwụkwọ gị. Go read your book. Ga gụọ akwụkwọ gị. Go read your book. Now, let's shoot. Let's shoot the sentence down. Shoot it. Who is getting it first? Ga gụọ akwụkwọ gị. Go read your book. Ozua, ga gụọ akwụkwọ gị. Great. Ozua is back on fire. Clement, ga gụọ akwụkwọ gị. Clement, you try, but something is missing. Something is not perfect. Right? Who else is shooting? Jen M, ga gụọ akwụkwọ gị. Perfect. Perfect. Who else is shooting? Olayinka, where is your sentence? Ibukoluwa, where is your sentence? Oh yeah. That your name means Ngozi in Igbo. Ngozi is Ibukun. Ngozi, that's our Igbo name for your name. Ngozi. Okay? Ga gụọ akwụkwọ gị. Great. But your akwụkwọ is not perfect. Your akwụkwọ has something missing in your akwụkwọ. Your akwụkwọ is not perfect. Look at the spelling. Clement Emehen, that's better now, which is ga gụọ akwụkwọ gị. Perfect. So look at those ones I say they are okay. Ellen Ozua own is okay. Clement Emehe is not correct, but he has corrected it down there. Okay. Ibukun is akwụkwọ. Your akwụkwọ is not perfect. Look at Jane M. Ga gụọ akwụkwọ gị. You see the correction there. Barbara, ga gụọ akwụkwọ gị. Fine, but your gi has supposed to have dot under the I. Gi is not gi, it's gi. So your GI must have dot under. Ga gụọ akwụkwọ gị. So let's do our corrections on this as we move to the next word, next verb. Yeah. Ibukun, you are still not getting akwụkwọ. Your U must have dot under, your O must have dot under. Good effort, but correct it perfectly. Akwụkwọ, U dot under, O has dot under in akwụkwọ. So do the final correction, Ibukun, waiting for you. The next word is gụpụta. Oh, not gụpụta. Gụpụta, not gụpụta. Gụpụta, gụpụta, gụpụta. One word. That is dig out. Dig out from the ground. Gụpụta, dig out. Yeah. Who is giving us the word? Gụpụta, dig out. Gụpụta, dig it out. Okay. Gụpụta, no. That is not gụpụta. Akwụkwọ, okay, Ibukun, that's correction, that's fine. Now we are looking at gụpụta, not gụpụta, but gụpụta. Yeah. Jen M has tried, but I'm waiting for others to drop the word. Gụpụta, gụpụta, dig out. Yeah, Ozua, that's perfect. That's it. That's gụpụta. It doesn't have dot under. If it is gụpụta, it will have dot under. But this is gụpụta. It doesn't have dot under. Okay? Are we there? Other people did not drop their own word. I don't know whether they are waiting to see the correction before they do that. But I've gotten the answer, gụpụta. So let's now take the sentence. The sentence is gụpụta ji n'ala. Dig out yam from the ground. Gụpụta ji n'ala. Dig out yam from the ground. Gụpụta, okay. Barbara, that's fine, you got it. Gụpụta, fine. But we have dropped the sentence already. And the sentence is gụpụta ji n'ala. Dig out yam from the ground. Jenem, gụpụta ji n'ala. Great. Ozua, gụpụta iji n'ala. No. is guputa G, not EG. G n'ala. Guputa G n'ala. Just G, that is yam. So Uzua, correct yourself. G, not double I, just one. G. Okay, Buku. Guputa G n'ala. Okay, but you are n'ala. You have to be N with comma on top and ala. You don't write the A in full most times when it comes to preposition. So, yeah, also that is yam. G, that is yam. Great. So, Ibuku, it's better you put your N dot comma on top and ala, which is Gubuta Jinala. The way Jen M wrote it is perfect. Gubuta Jinala, that is the perfect word. I can only see one thumbs up. So let's drop our thumbs up for this live. Drop a thumbs up for us, up for this live session. Very important. So, Gubuta Jinala, Clement, you got it, Ibuku? Yeah, Ibuku is perfect now. That's fine. That's fine. Gubuta Jinala. Please, thumbs up this live session. Thumbs up, very important. I think at this point, we will be rounding up in 5 minutes' time. We're rounding up today's session. Please give us a thumbs up. Very important to us. As we round up this live session today. So in 5 minutes' time, we are rounding up. We've almost past 1 hour that we'll share for this meeting. So that next Saturday, we continue. The last word I'm having today is ba also is compound word, which is run. Ba also. Okay, Barbara, you tried. Leba, you tried. That's great. So the last word we're having today is ba also, which is run a race. Run a race. Those who are giving thumbs up here, this is not where I should put your thumbs up. Go and put thumbs up in the live session on its own. You look on top of the live session, you will see the screen, the main screen, you will see a participant number, you will see a thumbs up sign. That's where you click to give it a thumbs up. Of course, I appreciate the one you're putting in the comment section, in the chat section, but that is not the one we actually need. Look at the bar up there where we have live session, number of participants, and thumbs up. Do it. Or down, I don't know where it is in your computer or in phone. Just hit the thumbs up button to give us a thumbs up, okay? We have bar also. That's great. I'm talking about the video itself, thumbs up for the video itself, not in the chat session. Okay, bar also, that's Clement Emehe, that's fine. Okay, JNM, bar also, that's great. Koki J, like the video you or like the video you or yeah, please like the video. It's very important to all. Koki J, you are back. Thank you for coming back. We miss you. Network pushed us out before, so we return back. We refuse to give up, right? So because of you guys that are serious to learn today, I saw so many new faces today and the new names, and I was excited. But network just tried to, disappoint himself, not me. So Bao Sankoki that's Elinozua. Oh, all right. Go. What is this? Ba. We say Ba also. Okay. I don't know what Ora Bile wanted to write. You wrote Go. I don't know. But we wanted to say Ba also. Okay. That's what the word we're looking at. Ba also. Run a race or run. Ba also. And then we'll take the sentence if we are there. Osim ba also. He or she asked me to run. Osim ba also. He asked me to run. Osim ba also. He asked me to run. Osim ba also. Drop it. Yeah. Who is dropping the sentence for us? Yeah, I've seen some people, doing the thumbs up to the video, to the live session. Thank you for that. Others should do that, please. Very important. So, Osim Ba also, Uzua has done that. Osim Ba also, Jen M has done that. Who else? Osim Ba also, who else is dropping the sentence? Okay, Ibuku. Osim Ba. I will not give the answer until you drop your sentences. I will now determine who wins. Osimba also. Okay, Clement, Osimba also. Koki J, Osim, Ba, also. Okay, now let's give the result. Ozua is the first that dropped. What is the sentence? Ozua, you tried, but your O should have dot under, and your I, sim, your I must have dot under in sim. Others are correct. Jenem, Osim, Ba, also, perfect. Perfect sentence. Gen M, perfect. Gen M. The book Olayinka, Osim, Ba, also, you try, but you are Osi. Your I should have dot under. And you don't put it together. Or is somebody, or he or she. So you have to stand alone, or sim. Okay? You can put sim together, no problem. But or will stand alone as a pronoun, right? So Clement Emehe, or simba also your O should have dot under your C. I will have dot under. Others are correct. Ba should be double A. Okay? Toki J, or simba also no. Us have to stand alone, or have to stand alone. Sim, you don't shorten that word. Is I with dot under and M. Don't remove anything. Don't put comma on top. Okay. Orabile, ga akwụkwọ gị, ga gụọ akwụkwọ gị. Oh, Orabile, you are coming. Oh, we are past where you are. Maybe the thing is not getting, sound is not getting to where you are so quickly. You are so backward. We passed that already. We've moved to Gopota. We've moved to another, and we're now in the third word and sentence while you are still writing the previous one. I guess where you are is not getting to you very fast. So, Orabile, we are in Ba also now. In Ozua, Osim Ba also, that's better. Ibuku, Osim Ba also, that's fine. That's the correction. So, we have done Ba also wrong. Then let's take this one. Ba, shoot. Okay? Ba only, not ba also. Shoot. Ba, shoot. What is it? Drop the word. Ba, okay. Chikezie. Oh, Chikezie, you're back. Great. Miss all of you. Network just messed up what we were doing. That was very sweet. And I lost many of you when I returned. But thank God you are here back. Chikezie, you are here. Okay. Now the word is ba. Chikezie got it. Ozua got it. Fine. So what are others waiting for? Ba, which is run. Okay. No, not ba, not run. It's shoot. Ba, shoot. Ba, shoot. Okay. The sentence is gbaa anụ egbe. Gbaa anụ egbe. Shoot animal, the gun. Shoot the animal, gun. Shoot the animal, gun. Gbaa anụ egbe. Egbe is gun. Gbaa anụ egbe. Shoot the animal, gun. Anụ is animal. Okay, let's see who is dropping it. Okay, Barbara, that's good. Even though your message is coming late, but it's fine. Osimba also, you got it, you tried. We are in Bano Egbe. Great, Chikezie, you got even the sound, you got it, it's fine. I know Chikezie, you are really ahead. Some of you have not given this live session a thumbs up. Please do that in the right place you're supposed to do it, not in the chat session. Look at the place you have to put thumbs up for this live session. Do that. I have only 4 thumbs up there. Please, let's do that. It's important to us. Baanwebe. I will not give the correction until I see the answers coming. Ibuku, I've seen your answer. Baanwebe. I've seen Kokije. What are the rest? Baanwebe. Clement, I may have seen your own. Okay. I'm waiting for others to drop their own. Unfortunately, some are joining us now. We are almost rounding up. We're almost rounding up. But it's fine. You are able to meet up again. Ibuku, Clement, at least we're able to get Ibuku today, and we're able to align our time with her. I think she'll be able to readjust her timing to the time we're using now against next Saturday. Okay, Baanu Egbe, great. Okay, Egbe, Koki J, Egbe, fine. All right, so let's do a correction. Who dropped first? It was Chikezie that dropped first. Baanu Egbe, that's perfect. Jane M, Baanu Egbe, good. Clement, Baanu Egbe, fine. Ozua, Baanu Egbe, correct. Koki, Baanu Egbe, good. Ibuku, Baanu Ebe, great. Clement, Baanu Ebe, great. All of you are correct. Great. Please do a thumbs up for this video. Very important for this live session. Give us a thumbs up. It's important to all of us. Then, because of those who just joined us now, this is supposed to be the last word, but I'm going to add one more because of those who joined us now. Babue, shoot to death. That is the next word. Babue, shoot to death. Shoot to death. Babue. What is the word? Drop it. Babue or babue, shoot to death. Babue. Okay, is one word. Don't separate it. Put it together. Babue, Chikezie, Jenem. Great. You tried. Put it together. Don't separate it. Babue. Okay, babue. Don't separate it. It's one word. Babue. Okay, babue. Great, great, great. Who got the word? Let me see those who got it. Chikezie Madonat got the word correct. Babue. Uzwa is not perfect. Look at Jen M and Chikezie's word. That is the correct one. That's Babue. Okay, Ellen Uzwa. Babue, you've done the correction. No, not perfect yet. Ellen, not perfect yet. Babue. Iboku, you got it. Clement is not correct. Koki J is fine. It's correct. Babue. Now, let's give the sentence. Babue onyori. Babue onyori. Shoot the thief to death, the criminal. Shoot the criminal to death. Babue onye ori. Babue onye ohi. We can call it onye ohi or onye ori. All is correct. Babue onye ohi. Yeah. Babue onye ohi. Chikezie, you are there. The name Babue onye ori. Okay, both are correct. Onye ori, onye ohi. Both are acceptable. Yeah. Who else is dropping? This is the last sentence for today. I'm rounding up. Yeah. So I'm waiting for everybody to drop their sentence because this is the last one for today, till next Saturday. So I'm waiting for all your sentences so that we'll do the correction once and wrap it up immediately. Yeah. Who has not dropped? I've seen Madonna, Jenem, Sozua, Ibuku, Kokije. Who else has not dropped the sentence? This is the last sentence for today. Yeah. I'm waiting for you. Clement, yeah, that's fine. Where is my friend Orabile? Where is he? He has not dropped his own. Yeah, Barbara, Babonyori, great. Barbara, that's great. Jenem, Babonyori, that's fine. Orabile, I didn't see you drop your own. We're rounding up, don't be left behind. We're going to give the answers, the correction now and move. Please don't forget to give this video, this live session, a thumbs up in the right position, not in the chat session. A thumbs up in the right place. Do that. As we round up, let's do the correction. Who dropped first? McDonald. Babuonyohi, correct. Ozua, Babuonyohi, correct. Ibuku, Babuonyohi, correct. Whether you use Onyori or Onyohi, both are correct. Cookie J, Babuonyori, correct. Clement, Babuonyori, good. Barbara, Leber, Babuonyori, correct. Jenem, Babuonyori, correct. You are all great people. It's nice. Today's session, I must confess, is a very lively one, very interactive one, very interesting one. But I had so many new people that joined us today. Unfortunately, we missed some of them when we were kicked off by network. But all the same, we came back and we met some of you. Thank God I came back. If I didn't come back, I wouldn't have seen Ibuku Olayinka today and some other people that were able to reconnect to today. So it's all good. Everything that happens is for good. So we thank God for today. I believe you have learned. If you have learned today, please give us a thumbs up. Somebody just joined us here. Hey, hello, I'm new here. Sorry, you are just joining us today. You are just coming in new, but we are rounding up for today. I'm talking about the person that dropped a chat now. The name is Mafinga Fades and Styleless. I think that's the business name. Sorry you came late. We are running up today. Next Saturday, we always come on board by what is the time? By 13:00 GMT, which is 2 p.m. West African time or Nigerian time. That's when we come up every Saturday. So please get ready against next Saturday because we are running up for today. So please don't forget to give this session a thumbs up and then appreciate all the people that you came on board today, especially our new students today. We welcome you all. We appreciate you. Please do join us next Saturday. Let's do this together. We speak Igbo language. We teach it. We guide you to be perfect in Igbo speaking. So don't forget to join us next Saturday. And if you are new today, for those who came in new and those who are not used to us, please, if you go to our community session or the description of not this one, but I'm going to put it in this video too, you will see a link to our bookshop where we have Igbo ebooks. These ebooks are special and wonderful because they come with audio file embedded in the ebook so that you can always hear the voice of your teacher reading the book for you and guiding you through the book. It's not just ordinary ebook, it's ebook with audio book inside, 2-in-1. So you will always access them through the description box of this video or other of our live sessions. Check the description box. You will access the ebooks. Please will appreciate if you have not bought any of those books, buy them, read and go through them. Those of you who have bought our books, you can give testimony here as to how much, so that those who have not bought will know that it's important they buy the ebooks. So please avail yourself of the opportunity, buy the ebooks, go through them. It will equip you so much so that when you come back next time, you will be performing excellently well. So if you have not bought our ebooks, please do. We need support. We need a little financial assistance to be able to sustain this thing we're doing. But you can't do that in any other way than to buy our books. That's the only way you can support us financially. So do that. Not only are you helping us, you are helping yourself, because when you go through our books, you will improve so much, because the books is loaded and it has audio where you can hear my voice speaking to you and teaching you while you are driving, while you are cooking, while you are washing in the laundry. You are hearing me talking to you. So if you have not done that, please buy our ebooks today. Very, very important. And as you do, God will bless you. Chukwu gozie gị. See you next Saturday. Daalụ. Ka emesịa.